Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate destination for in-depth product reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of automotive cleaning with what we believe is the best car seat extractor on the market. The BISSELL Little Green Pro Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner and Car Auto Detailer. This compact yet powerful machine packs a punch when it comes to tackling stains and dirt in your car's interior. Let's explore why it's earning rave reviews from customers everywhere. First off, let's talk about the features that make the BISSELL Little Green Pro stand out from the crowd. With its superior suction power and professional cleaning formula, it's designed to tackle even the toughest stains and embedded dirt, leaving your car seats and upholstery looking as good as new. Plus, it comes with two handy tools, the Deep Stain Tool and the 3 Tough Stain Tool, which are specifically designed to target stubborn stains and ensure a thorough clean every time. But the versatility of this machine doesn't stop there. It's not just for cars. You can also use it on carpets, stairs, upholstery, and more, making it a versatile addition to any household cleaning arsenal. And for all the pet owners out there, rejoice! The BISSELL Little Green Pro is specially formulated to tackle pet stains and odors, so you can say goodbye to those pesky accidents once and for all. Another standout feature of this machine is its portability. Weighing in at just over 13 pounds, it's easy to maneuver, and perfect for reaching those hard-to-reach spots in your car or home. But don't just take my word for it. Customers rave about the BISSELL Little Green Pro, praising its cleaning power, ease of use, and value for money. Let's hear what some of them have to say. So there you have it, folks. If you're in the market for a powerful, versatile, and pet-friendly car seat extractor, look no further than the BISSELL Little Green Pro. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. Until next time, happy cleaning!